Let me show you how you can make a website using Exgen AI. Exgen AI is one-step solution for building an online presence. Whether you need a landing page for your business, a resume for your next job, or a company portfolio to boost sales, Exgen AI has you covered. Getting started is simple. Just describe what you want to build, set your target audience, choose the page type, and add the sections you'd like. Within minutes, you'll have a fully functional website. And the best part, if you want to tweak anything to match your brand, our visual builder makes it easy. You can edit text, add or remove sections, customize colors and properties, all with just a few clicks. No designing skills required. You can even export the code as well if you need to include it in your existing project. When your site is ready, you can publish it directly from exgenai.com. You get built-in analytics to track the performance of your page, and lead forms can collect real user data straight from your site. With Exgen AI, you get the best of both worlds: AI-powered web design and full creative control to make it your own. You can start for free now. No credit card required.